But first, let's talk about Unchained, and kind of the history of it. This is not a new company, right? You guys have been at this for several years. So give the viewers a little bit of the background on how it got started and y'all's differentiation with the non-custodial financial products that you offer to your clients.
Sure, gladly. Yes. Unchained really started with the idea that Bitcoin is here to stay and that the long-term holders of Bitcoin are folks that will, over time, you want the benefit of traditional financial services, but they're going to want to consume them or use them in a unique way. That means they might want a particular flavor of a financial partner, that's non-traditional, less traditional than like a Fidelity or other large bank. And as well, due to the technological nature of Bitcoin and how it's secured, how it's custodied, a lot of our early thesis was that there's going to be a new way to design your financial products and design your experience when you work with a financial provider in Bitcoin. So that's something that's really been true for Unchained really since the beginning. We started in 2016. Our first product was a Bitcoin secured loan. We were the first folks to, I think, be giving loans publicly for Bitcoin as collateral to individuals. And then as well, we innovated by enabling clients to hold a key within the multi-sig address for how their Bitcoin is secured. So one way you can really know that your Bitcoin is not rehypothecated and it's going to remain in the same place you put it for the duration of your loan. That we since expanded from then. We have a standalone vault offering. Clients can hold their own keys to their Bitcoin for the long run in a way that we've helped facilitate. We help kind of walk them into using that comfortably. And a lot of people are thinking about when they're securing Bitcoin for the long term is inheritance. How do they ensure this passes on to their spouse or other multiple generations? So being that financial services partner that can walk them through that, walk any inheritors through how they access Bitcoin, how they access funds. And it's, again, always trying to preserve that idea of Bitcoin. It's when it's most valuable, it's useful in a way that you can use it without needing someone else. So you don't need an intermediary. So always trying to preserve that aspect of Bitcoin and our financial products. So we'll give loans. We can give dollar loans against Bitcoin. Clients can hold their own keys to Bitcoin in an IRA. They can use their vault products we mentioned, and we also buy sell for clients. So really trying to be a full suite financial services experience for that long-term Bitcoin holder.